We tried 3 different ERPs in 5 years. Each promised the world but delivered headaches. Then we found BETs ERP Software, and everything changed. Most ERPs are built by tech people for tech people. BETs ERP is built for food and FMCG people. Your business isn't manufacturing widgets. You're creating magic with recipes, ingredients, and complex supply chains. Generic ERPs see ingredients as line items. BETs sees them as building blocks of your brand. Remember tracking that problematic batch? With BETs, it takes minutes, not days. Festival demand spikes, seasonal variations. BETs handles it all intelligently. Your procurement team can finally ditch those side Excel sheets. Real-time vendor comparisons, multi-step recipe management, and inventory that actually knows your business. The results speak for themselves. 40% faster procurement, 25% reduced planning time, and 30% better dispatch accuracy. Finally, an ERP that speaks your language. Schedule your demo today.